Do you own a carpet cleaning business and want more consistent, high-quality cleaning jobs without wasting time or your hard-earned money? Well, you're in the right place. Optimize Worldwide is a 5-star rated digital marketing agency that specializes in helping carpet cleaning companies grow. We focus on proven strategies that attract homeowners who are actively searching for cleaning services, turning online visibility into real bookings. Optimize Worldwide designs professional, high-converting websites built in just 4 weeks with simple, flat-rate pricing and no surprises. Every site is fast-loading, secure, and mobile-friendly with built-in conversion tracking and analytics so you can see exactly what's driving leads. We can also manage your domain, hosting, and email services, keeping everything in one place and easy to manage. Local visibility is critical for carpet cleaning businesses, and that's where our business listing management comes in. We optimize your Maps presence, ensure your business information is accurate across directories, and monitor reviews as they come in. This helps boost trust, improve local rankings, and increase the number of homeowners choosing your company. Our search engine optimization strategies are designed around how homeowners actually search. We create optimized service pages, targeted city pages, and technical improvements that help your site load faster and perform better in search engines. We also build pillar-based content around common homeowner questions, helping your business appear and people also ask results and rank in AI-powered searches like ChatGPT and Gemini. Homeowners are checking online to figure out which carpet cleaning company their neighbors actually trust. When it comes to advertising, we focus on platforms that convert your advertising budget into paying customers. Our Google Partner Certified experts manage local service ads, Google search campaigns, and visually engaging meta ads using high-performing keywords and proven ad copy. No matter which platforms we advertise on, you'll receive clear, easy-to-understand monthly reports that show campaign performance to help you better understand where your advertising budget is going. Optimize Worldwide offers everything your residential cleaning business needs to look professional, rank higher, generate more leads, and earn long-term trust. We help you generate more residential cleaning jobs consistently and sustainably. Optimize Worldwide is a 5-star rated agency helping carpet cleaning companies book more appointments and grow faster with a complete suite of marketing and advertising services. All your marketing needs are handled by one attentive and highly experienced team. No juggling multiple vendors, no waiting for a response, no guessing, no wasted time. Just clear results and a partner who cares as much about your business as you do. Call or text our office number to speak to a real person right away, or visit our website today to book your consultation and take the next step in growing your cleaning business. Optimize Worldwide. Reach, connect, grow.